स्वागत है आपका। मैं हूं आपके साथ गौरव शुक्ला। सीधे आपको दिल्ली लिए चलते हैं, जहां पर विज्ञान भवन में प्रधानमंत्री मोदी इस समय सूफी कॉन्फ्रेंस को संबोधित कर रहे हैं, जिसका आज से आगाज हुआ है।
As Hazrat Nizamuddin Aulia said, Almighty holds dear those who love Him for the sake of human beings and those who love human beings for the sake of Almighty. This is the message of oneness of humanity of all of Almighty's creations. For the Sufis, therefore, service to God meant service to humanity. In the words of Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti, of all the worships, the worship that pleases the Almighty God the most is the grant of relief to the humble and the oppressed. In a beautiful imagery of human values, he said, human beings must have the affection of the sun, the generosity of the river, and the hospitality of the earth, because they benefit us all without discrimination and distinction among the people. And its humanism also upheld the place and status of women in society. Above all, Sufism is a celebration of diversity and pluralism expressed in the words of Hazrat Nizamuddin Aulia, that every people has its own path of truth, beliefs and focus of reverence. These words reflect the divine message to the Holy Prophet that there is no compulsion in religion, and also that to every people we have appointed ways of worship which they observe, and it is in harmony with the soul of bhakti, saying in the Hindu tradition, into the bosom of the one great sea flow streams that come from hills on every side. In the wisdom of Bullhe Shah, Lord is mixed in every heart. These values are the need of our times. This is the reality of nature. We learn this wisdom in the perfect balance and harmony that exists in the vast diversity of a forest. Its message is beyond the confines of schools and sects. It is a spiritual space that traces its origin from the Holy Prophet and the fundamental values of Islam, which literally means peace. And it reminds us that when we think of the 99 names of Allah, none stands for force and violence. And that the first two names denote compassionate and merciful.